Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Doreen and today we'll be learning how to make ginger and onion hair mask. We know ginger and onion are widely known for their benefits, but have you ever considered what they can actually do to the hair? Well, today I'll be sharing with you the benefits of both ginger and onion and also how to make a mask from it. Ginger helps to stimulate hair follicles, which then promotes hair growth. It improves blood flow. Its active ingredient gingerol helps to relax the blood vessels. It nourishes the hair with fatty acids, keeping it healthy and strong. Ginger tackles dryness. It acts as a natural conditioner. It has antifungal properties that helps to control dandruff. And fresh ginger contains magnesium, potassium, phosphorus, and vitamins. I know what there is to not meet you. Onion is a rich source of sulfur that helps in follicle regeneration. It has antibacterial properties that help fight infections of the scalp. It nourishes the hair follicles, it controls dandruff, and it indirectly reverses premature graying. So in summary, these two have a lot to offer to the well-being of your hair. Now let's see how to make a mask from those. So hey guys, so this is my onion and ginger. Before I blend it, I'm gonna cut it into small pieces so I'll be able to blend it. So I'm going to blend now. Add a little bit of water so it will be able to blend. So here is the juice I got from it. It smells really nice. So about the shaft, well, you could decide straight away, but I am going to add it to my rice water. The next time I want to make one, I'll add it to it while boiling. Anyways, so this is what I need right now. And as usual, my tomato jar. You could decide to use a spray bottle, a normal bottle, a smaller container, but I'll use this. I'm just gonna pour it here. And I'll add some olive oil to it. About 3 tablespoons. So guys, this is it. I'm just gonna try and shake it a bit. So there you have it guys. I'd love to hear your experiences in the comment section below. And please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.